Minister, can you explain? Let's hear from you. How do you spend the money?
The chairman is eating from the ask your chairman.
You said what?
I said I did not know anything. Ask your chairman. Ask.
How can you see that or mention that? It's okay.
No, let him explain. Where did the money go to?
It's okay, off your mic.
No, I cannot off my mic. I have to say the truth.
That the two chairmen did what?
The two chairmen were there. I was once like you. I did not know anything.
Keep on doing it now. I just say
no. Let him explain. Let me explain.
This guy go kill us. Please off the lights, off everything, off the mic.
You want to off my mic? Off it. Off another one. Off it.
What you say? Off the two chairmen. I said keep quiet. I go kill you before this guy kill me.
No.
Off like hey, young man, off the lights.
If you like off the lights, cut the wire. I will say my Jesus. Just on the light. I will not say anything again. Hello. Who is there? Hello. That's all I'm going to do.
11 stones to bring the